Hello class, welcome again to our channel Twins Knowledge Bank. So today we are going to do another subject, that is science. Science is also a very important topic. Okay, do you know I want to become a scientist, so science is everything for me. Okay, so now let's see what we are going to do today. Wow, today we are going to do our body. Our body is a very important topic. In our body there are many parts like brain, heart, eyes, nose, tongue. These many more than I can't tell. So I am going to tell you today some systems in our body. There are some systems in our body like nervous system, circulatory system, respiratory system, like more are there. So today I am going to do a system that is circulatory system. Other systems you can see in my next videos. So in this video we are going to do circulatory system. Okay, so what is a circulatory system? All parts, just a minute. All parts in our body needs oxygen and nutrition, and this work is done by our blood. Okay, have you ever think that this work can be done by our blood? So now you can know it that this work is done by our blood. Okay, the blood is circulated throughout the body. You know that blood is circulated throughout in our whole body. The organ which circulates the blood is our heart. That's the main organ. Or you can say that the main organ is brain, but you can say this also as a main organ. Okay. So the heart pumps the blood. Okay. The blood flows through blood vessels. There are some blood vessels, from that our blood flows. Okay. Heart and blood vessel together form circulatory system. Yes, the heart and blood vessels make circulatory system. And the blood is also very important. If there will be no blood, then how the circulatory system will work? Okay, so now let's see ahead. So types of blood vessel. Do you know there's 3 types of blood vessel that are: first is artery, second is vein, and the third is capillary. You have heard this. Artery, vein, and capillary. You must have heard this. So let's see what are arteries. The arteries are the blood vessels that deliver oxygen-rich blood. Oxygen-rich blood means the blood which have oxygen from the heart to the tissues of body. The tissues means a group of cells. Okay, so the tissues means a group of cell. I will tell this about the cell in our next videos. So let's see now what are. So do you know? So artery deliver the oxygen-rich blood from our heart to our tissues of the body. You can see this image. This is our artery and this is our blood. Okay, and it comes from our heart and move everywhere in our body. Okay, so now let's go ahead and see what are veins. What are veins? Veins are a type of blood vessel that return deoxygenated blood from our organs back to heart. Deoxygenated blood means the blood in which the oxygen leaves. Okay, I will tell you when we are on capillaries. So from now, veins are a type of blood vessel that return deoxygenated blood from your organs back to your heart. These are different from your arteries, which deliver oxygenated blood from your heart to the rest of the body. Okay, this is different from your arteries. Okay, deoxygenated blood that flows into your vein is collected within tiny blood vessels called capillaries. Okay, deoxygenated blood that flows into your veins is collected within tiny blood vessels called capillaries. You can see this. I know you can't understand this very well, but now you will understand it in capillaries. Capillaries, okay? Just a minute. Capillaries are the smallest blood vessel in our body, okay? Like we have veins and arteries. From that, the capillary is the smallest blood vessel in our body, okay? Oxygen passes through the walls of your capillaries to your tissues, okay? Oxygen leaves leaves your capillaries and then it goes to your tissues. I have told you, group of cell, okay? Carbon dioxide can also move into your capillaries from the tissue before entering your veins, okay? The capillary has a like wall, only one layer, so the carbon dioxide can also move into your capillaries, okay? Let's see an image and from that we can know. This is from heart, artery, capillary, vein to heart. You can't understand. Okay, now let me understand you. From heart, this is our vein. This red part is our vein. Okay, from our heart. Okay, this is our artery. Okay, from artery, the oxygenated blood goes to our capillaries. Capillaries like this something which joins our artery and vein. Okay, so the oxygenated blood goes here and this is this is um, oxygen and nutrition. Okay, these two dots are oxygen and nutrition. Okay, O and N. Okay, on, so it leaves our body and like this is a tissue, this is our tissue and it goes into tissues, and the deoxygenated and the deoxygenated blood goes to our capillaries, and from that it collects in our vein and then it moves back to our heart. Okay, the deoxygenated blood collect in our veins and then move back to heart, and the heart gives oxygen to it and then give it to the artery. Okay, so one thing, that misconcept and concept, both the lungs are of equal size. Okay, the concept is your right lung is bigger than left lung, the left lung is small, so as to adjust heart in that part you must be heard this. Okay, the left lung is small to give space to our heart. Okay, second misconcept is that brain controls the body equally. Okay, the concept is that the left hand side of your brain controls the right side of your body, whereas the right hand side control left part. Okay, like this is our brain, this is left side and this is right side. Okay, so this left side of brain controls this right side, and this right side and this sorry and this right that so this left side of our body controls right side body, and this right side of our brain controls left side of our body. Okay, so okay, this, and I want to tell you a fact that in normal humans heart beats nearly 72 times a minute. Usually if you check your heartbeat in a minute, it will beats only 72 times in a minute. Okay, have you understand? So if you like this video and if you think that this video is helpful for you, so please do like, share and subscribe this video, and do not forget to press the bell icon. Thanks a lot.